Dear students, now I am going to explain how to remember cos values easily. First of all, take your left hand, put like this, write down the values 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Students will learn the cos values. So formula is root over finger above by 2. Okay students, let us find the 0 degrees value. So cos 0 degrees is equal to, what is formula says, root over finger above. So now we are going to find the 0 degrees. So cos 0. So you have to fold your little finger. Then the formula says finger above. How many fingers are above little finger? 1, 2, 3, 4. So root 4 by 2. So what is the value of root 4? Root 4 is 2. 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. Therefore cos 0 degrees value is 1. Okay students, let us go to the another value, cos 30 degrees value. So fold your ring finger. So how many fingers are there above ring finger? 1, 2, 3. So as formula, root over 3 by 2. So this is the final value, cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay students, let us go to the another value, cos 45 degrees. So cos 45 degrees. So you have to fold the middle finger. So if you fold your middle finger, how many fingers are there? So 1, 2. So root 2 by 2. So we can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 gets cancelled. 1 by root 2 is remaining. Therefore cos 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2. Next, go to next value, cos 60 degrees. So if you want to find cos 60 degrees value, you have to fold your index finger. So how many fingers are above index finger? Only one finger, root 1 by 2. So root 1 means 1 by 2. So therefore cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. Okay students, let us find out the next value, cos 90 degrees. So cos 90. So you have to fold your thumb finger. How many fingers are above thumb finger? There is no fingers, so that means 0 fingers are there. So root 0 by 2. Root 0 by 2 means 0 by 2. 0 by 2 means 0. Therefore cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Okay students, now write down the all values. Cos 0 degrees is equal to 1. So cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degrees is equal to how much? 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So and finally cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. So in the way we have to remember the sine and cos values easily. Okay students, practice and understand. Okay students, thank you.